esteemed special guest, Shri Madhusudan Rao sir, GMMS Welfare, Utpal Haziraji, ex-defense officer and registrar of Prachin Kala Kendra, Kolkata branch, Subhashish Jas sir, head examiner, Prachin Kala Kendra, Calcutta branch, faculty members of various centers, proud parents and dear students. A very warm welcome to each one of you on this prestigious occasion. The occasion ceremony of Artica, we are conducting convocation celebrations today. So today is a day of celebration, not just for the students who have successfully completed their diploma courses from the esteemed Prachin Kala Kendra, but also for all of us who have been part of their journey in the prestige of excellence in fine arts. Artica Institute has always been dedicated to fostering the growth and development of young artists. We are proud to be a platform where creativity meets opportunities, where passion for fine art is nurtured into a professional skill set. Over the years, we have taken significant strides in promoting world-class education in various art forms, from painting to Kuchipudi abilities, classical dances, and Indian classical music. Through our association with Prachin Kala Kendra, we have empowered our students with a diploma certificate that have opened doors to prestigious job opportunities. Many of our students are now working in respected positions, providing the world of their artistic talent and academic achievements. In our pursuit of excellence, Artica Institute has also been at the performance of art education innovations. We are committed to experiential learning, where art integrated established with academic subjects such as mathematics, science and social studies. By framing art integrated projects, we are helping students to understand example concept through creative expressions, making learning more effectively and enjoyable. We regularly conduct painting competitions, workshops and seminars in fine arts. These initiatives help bring out the hidden talent of our budding artists, offering them the platform they need to showcase their skills. Festivals and important occasions are celebrated with a variety of activities and competitions, ensuring that our students remain contained to their cultural roots and artistic traditions. For you, Artica Institute offers a complete online distance education system, allowing students to learn art from comfort of their homes at their convenience. This initiative has opened up our fine arts education to a broader audience, making it accessible to students regardless of their locations. In today's fast evolving world, where artificial intelligence and technology are transferring every field, it is crucial that our students develop creative things and problem-solving techniques. At Artica, we aim to share their skills from a young age, preparing our students to in their field. We also take immense pride in offering special courses that prepare students for entrance exams such as B-Designing, NIFT, NATA or BFA entrances. This allows them to secure admissions in some of the best colleges and pursue the successful career in the field of art and designs. Today we celebrate the achievement of our students. I would like to thank all the teachers and mentors whose guidance has played a pivotal role in shaping their success. Your dedication and hard work have truly made a difference. Lastly, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our special guest, Sri Madhusudan Rao ji and Subhashit Jas along with Utpal Hajra ji. Gracious occasion in their presence. Your support and encouragement mean a lot to us and our students. To all the gratitudes, I offer my sincere congratulations. This is just a beginning of a bright and creative future. Continue to pursue your passion with the same determination and may your artistic journey bring your success and fulfillment. Thank you one and all.
కనుల పాప